The vulture took an axe to the woodpecker. The woodpecker instantly puts on his helmet. The vulture was shaking all over, so he pries the helmet open and finds a gift box. When he opens it, he finds a beautiful headdress, so he wanted to give it to the girl as a gift. But as soon as he puts it on his head, it turns into a volley of dynamite. When the explosives are ignited, the vulture jumps into the water. Terrified, the two give chase. But the vulture is being teased by the woodpecker. As the woodpecker taunts the vulture, it gets stuck in a branch. The vulture takes advantage of the situation and tries to drive the boat back. But the engine takes the vulture all the way back to shore and shaved off the vulture's fur. The vulture turns off the engine and decides to do the same to the woodpecker. Just as he was about to scalp the woodpecker pulled the reverse button. The engine flew off with the vulture in a flash. Finally, the woodpecker made a hat out of the vulture's fur and gave it to the girl.